Hey guys, welcome back to another strategy video. I got a lot of positive feedback about the last strategy video I did, so I decided to build on some of those concepts in this one. We're going to be trading on multiple time frames in this video, and if you haven't seen the last video, be sure to go back and give it a watch. Again, we're going to build on some of those key concepts shown in the last one. I'll link it right here, and we're going to be trading with WolfpackPro in this video. My website is wolfpackprofessional.com if you want to check it out. And I'm going to be sharing a lot of new content about this indicator, how it's performing compared to other top indicators like Market Cipher. If you don't want to miss those videos, be sure to subscribe down below. Been getting a lot of positive reviews about the indicator. So the strategy we're going to use today is really basic strategy. Here's the key to all of the signals on WolfpackPro, and we're going to be using scalping strategy. So we're going to trade on the 3-minute and the 30-minute time frame. We're going to trade in the same direction as the higher time frame. So the basic strategy is we're going to check if the higher time frame prints a green flag or if the Bollinger Band and acceleration wave is up. And then we're going to enter on the lower time frame when we have a favorable buy setup. And I'll show you how to do that in this video, so be sure to watch through the video. And again, when the Bollinger Band is coming up, we know that for sure we have a good chance that the acceleration, the momentum is coming upwards. When we have a green flag, the acceleration is super bullish. It's not, again, this strategy will work about 80 to 90% of the time. I encourage you guys to go and back test it. But let's head right to the charts to see how this is going to perform. And we're just going to be using this rule set here. So let's take a look at the charts. All right, we're on the 30-minute Bitcoin chart on TradingView here. We're going to be using the bar replay mode feature to go back in time to see how this strategy performs in the current Bitcoin market. And I really recommend that you do your due diligence, go and back test it for yourself to gain that confidence in execution, as if you're in the middle of a trade and you haven't practiced enough, you might flop and not get the results that you're hoping for, and you might get suboptimal results too, which this type of practice is going to help you key in the best possible entries and exits for your trades. And that doubles with a professional indicator. Of course, every strategy that you use, you should be backtesting. WolfpackPro, Market Cipher, you really have to practice to get good using these indicators to find what suits your particular style. So here's the rule set. We're going to use the bar replay mode feature here to go back in time to see how we would have performed here. So let's just start moving forward and progressing to see how some of these trades could have done. All right, so using the bar replay mode feature here, we're going forward. We got a bearish flag here. So we also got a pink RSI showing that the RSI is reaching its limit here. So we're expecting this is close to the peak of this pump. So what we're going to do is go down to the smaller time frame to see what we can put in for a short here if there's going to be a pullback. Let's wait for a good sell setup here. Let's keep moving forward. Got a weak sell signal. We're getting close here. This is a slightly stronger sell signal. We also got a trend line break. So we're gonna put in our first short right here. We're gonna mark that as a sell signal, and with the trend line break here, let's just move it forward here slightly. That would be our confirmation. Again, that's going to be here. We have a trend line that printed and we crossed below it right there. So that's where our short is going to be. We also got a red flag right here. So we've got the higher time frame lined up. Everything on the indicator is showing that we could be going bearish soon. On the higher time frame, the RSI looks like it's reaching its limits, and these waves are really coming down, and we're trying to push this limit here. So our stop loss would be somewhere in this area here. So just above here, we're going to set our stop loss, and we're going to see here, we would love to get in a little bit higher, but this looks like we got our sell signals coming in, so we are better safe than sorry getting into this. So let's see how this one plays out. Yeah, we got a strong sell signal. Yeah, 2 strong sell signals coming in. There we go. We can start looking to take partial profit here. I'm expecting there to be a reversal. We have the acceleration wave coming up. Buy signal here. The ATR switched from purple to green, so we could take partial profit right here at this area. Yeah, we crossed above it. The acceleration wave is coming up, and we have a small sell signal there. We're flirting with it. There we go. So we're really coming down. So we could start considering taking some more profit down here. So we had 2 take profit points. That's just going to be where we take our profit here in 2 phases, and we can see how the rest of the we can see how the 30-minute chart looks like at the current moment. So we took our profit down there. It really looks like this. We got 3 bearish flags printing on the 30-minute chart. This wave is really coming down. So we made a profitable trade there. Let's keep moving forward to see how far it comes down. Yeah, we got some bullish action. There's some more bearish. We already took our profits. Here, we got a green flag. So let's drop back down to the smaller time frame at this candle here and see if we can pop a reversal here back down to the 3-minute chart. And I highly recommend plot your trend lines on the price, support and resistance. Those are incredibly important, and don't just be trading purely based on one indicator. I always recommend combine WolfpackPro with technical analysis as well. It really helps you out catching and keying in the good entries. Though we have a strong trend line here, and we got golden crosses coming in. The acceleration wave looks like it's fluttering up and down. We're above 0 here, so our stop loss should really be, if we're considering getting in, stop loss should really be below this last swing low right there. So that'll be the stop loss. We got this reversal coming in. Let's see if there's a pullback. So there's a sell signal, so we're just going to wait. There's a buy signal. We got bullish trigger wave right here. So we're going to place our long entry here. Our stop loss is pretty far away. If we take a small order, we shouldn't be taking too much of a loss if we end up cutting through that. So let's key in a long right here, and let's see how this performs. There we go. All right, so we're already in profit here, and the 3-minute RSI, got the RSI showing that it's near the top with the pink. That is a stronger sell signal. We also got bullish or bearish flags coming in, so we could take partial profit in this area. We also see the Bollinger Band is starting to level off as well. Let's take some partial profit here with the market with the horizontal line, and let's continue moving forward. So we've taken some profit while we're in the lead, and we know that this is strong resistance from before. Again, we're really extending the RSI. We're looking to take at the top sometime close here. We must be near the top, unless we're just going parabolic. There we go. So we took some profit just to be safe. We're still in, and it looks like this wave is really crossing over now. So we have to be near the top. We have a trend line break right here with this red square. We should probably take some more profit here, and we'll see if we move our stop loss up below this red line here. Again, if we scroll back, this was our resistance way back in the past up here. We'd expect it to be support. We're going to set our stop loss, move it all the way up here. We're in the green, and we'll keep moving forward. Looks like we are coming down a little bit. Is there one? Okay, all right. This is a really good trade. This is one of those trades where you just want to inch up your stop loss incrementally when you're winning. We don't have any stronger sell signals on the main wave. We have orange caution diamonds, but that's really about it. Let's see if anything else starts coming in. We have another trend line break. This trend line here from the very bottom coming all the way up just broke through that. This is a significant area for taking profit. This is where I would probably consider cutting the trade here. It really looks like this wave could really start coming down. So we'll fully exit that trade right in this area here. We'll take the profits. That was a great trade. All right, let's see what the wave ends up doing after this. Might come up for one more high, and we might get some bullish divergence or bearish divergence, sorry, if this peak comes up. The price is higher but the wave is lower. That's some bearish divergence. We're going to be getting some stronger sell signals. Right there, we got the red X. So that is bearish flag, red X, probably near the peak. This cannot keep going higher there. Okay, so Okay, so we actually made a higher high, but we took our profit, we took our gains, and that's pretty much the simple strategy. So see how the 30-minute chart looks like here. We really got a great entry here. This wave is still coming up on the 30-minute chart. We ended up printing a golden cross right there at our entry, and this wave on the 30-minute is still coming up. If we go forward, there we go. So that's gonna be the top. Now we're really coming down. Okay, so that's the basic strategy. If you like this sort of content, thumbs up the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I really appreciate all of you guys for supporting the channel grow more and more. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next strategy video.